Tag is on fire these days. एक के बाद एक they've been launching like killer smartwatches at very competitive price in India. And today they're back with another new watch, guys. And this one is called as the Verve Neo. And let me tell you, this is like a very affordable, super budget smartwatch that offers some pretty nice features. And best part is, this is the lightest smartwatch with one of the biggest displays you can get in the market. It comes with a big 1.69-inch display, guys, and also IP68 water resistant, and a couple of other features which we'll check out in this video. So basically, guys, we're gonna unbox and see what this watch offers for the price point. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Let's get started. So here's our brand new smartwatch from Tag called the Verve Neo, and this is like a super budget category smartwatch that is priced under 2000 rupees and comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got the Tag branding, the model is Verve Neo as I've told you just now, and we also have a picture of the product on the front side. Talking about the main highlights, the watch comes with a 1.69-inch large display, supports blood oxygen measurement, IP68 water resistant, and comes with like multiple sport mode tracking. Now going to the back side also, we've got some more features mentioned, like it's got real-time 24/7 heart rate measurement, activity tracker, and also comes with like sedentary reminder as well. So that is pretty much it, guys. There's nothing much written on it. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this outer packaging. There we go. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox the package and finally check out the watch. And by the way, the watch is available in different colors, guys, and comes with like different strap options also. You can check out them on the Tag's website. And there you go, guys, our first look at the Tag Verve Neo. We have the blue color edition. And wow, this looks beautiful, right? We'll just come back to the smartwatch in a moment. Along with the watch, you also get some accessories as well. Like there's a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. Just make sure to read them whenever you get time. That's it, guys. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the watch and talk about all of its features and highlights. Tag Verve Neo is a budget category smartwatch with a square form factor, and this is the lightest smartwatch with the biggest display right now in the market. It comes with a 1.69-inch big display on the front, guys, touch display. And if you talk about the design looks quite nice. It looks sort of like Apple Watch, and there's only one button to the right side, guys. There's a multifunction button on the right using which you can power on and also access different functions. Talking about the build quality is also very good. It's got a metallic blue finish, and the body is actually made of zinc alloy material. That's it. There is nothing on the left side as well. And going to the back, here you've got the HR monitoring sensor, some details about the watch, and charging contacts on the bottom. And talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also very good. They feel soft, durable, and also quite flexible as well. And the good part is the straps on it are replaceable, so you can easily remove them and replace with your favorite ones. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue the video. Alright, guys, so I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for the past 5 to 6 days, and now I think I'm ready to share my complete experience and feedback on this model. So guys, we've already discussed about the design and the build quality, right? So let me first start off with the display quality. So as I've told you at the beginning, guys, Tag's Verve Neo comes with a big 1.69-inch TFT display, and let me tell you, the display quality is very good considering the price point. There's good amount of detail. All the text on it is easily readable, no matter you get messages or even the menu on it, and the colors are also nice. Contrast levels are also decent. Viewing angles are also fine, guys, and let me tell you, brightness is also quite adequate. 500 nits brightness, easily viewable even in bright outdoor situations. The only thing I felt is, the saturation on the display could have been slightly a bit higher, but again, it's a very affordable and budget category smartwatch now, so you'll be quite satisfied and happy with the results. No complaints from my side. So that was about the display. And by the way, it's a touch display, right? So touch response was also nice. It was accurately detecting all my inputs, and I didn't face any issues. Now what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the watch, and we'll basically check out the UI, built-in apps and features, and all that stuff. And by the way, the watch does support raise to wake function, and the function was working very well, as you can see in the video. So there you go, guys. This is how the display on Tag's Verve Neo looks like. And on the home screen, as you can see, I've already applied like my custom wallpaper as a watch face. So that option is also there. You can easily choose any picture from your gallery and apply it like a custom watch face. And let me tell you, the watch supports like lots of watch faces. And on board now, you get like 5 watch faces pre-installed. You can even download more from Tag's compatible app using your smartphone. We'll come there at a later part in the video. Now by swiping down on the home screen, you can quickly access the status panel. Here it shows you the date and time, the weather info, battery level of the watch, and also gives you some quick shortcuts to some settings. Like you've got the torch shortcut, then there's a brightness adjustment, D&D mode, find your phone feature, a direct music player shortcut is also there, QR code for the app, and a direct shortcut to the settings. And that is it. That was our look at the status panel. Now by swiping up on the home screen, you can basically access the complete list of all the apps and features present on the watch. We'll come there in a moment. And by swiping left and right on the home screen, guys, you can access all the quick access widgets present on the watch. So let's start off from the right side. The first widget we have over here is basic fitness data, guys. Like the watch shows you the number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned for that particular day. Now suppose you want to go like in-depth detail, you want like a whole month's analysis or like a complete summary, you can easily refer to the compatible app that you need to install on your phone, and from there you can get the complete data. Now moving on, you got the HR measurement. Now you can directly measure your HR from this widget itself, or you can even access the same from the menu as well on the watch. Moving on, you've got the sleep data analysis, and then you got the weather analysis widget, and then you got a direct shortcut for music player built in on the watch. And using this widget, you can easily control the music that is being played on your phone directly from the watch. But for this, now keep in mind you'll have to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. The watch also has like a breathing exercise function built into it, so that is a very nice thing. And lastly, you got the female health tracking function available as well. So that's it, guys. These are all the available widgets on it. Now let's quickly check out all the built-in apps and features and basically check out the menu, which you can easily access by swiping up on the home screen. And as you can see, the first app on the list is Sports app. And let me tell you, Tags Verve Neo supports almost like 15 different sport modes where you can track different activities like running, walking, climbing, and a lot of stuff is over there, guys. And all these functions are working very well. As soon as you start this tracking mode now, the watch will start tracking a variety of things like your heart rate, continuous 24/7 heart rate, and then it also gives you things like distance travel, how much calories you're burning. But let me tell you, since this is like an affordable and budget category watch, you do not have like built-in GPS. That is not possible at such a low price tag. But yes, it does support like in-app GPS tracking. That means you need to install the compatible tag app on your phone, and from there now the watch will utilize the built-in GPS present on your phone for all the geolocation and basically all the maps related data, guys. So that option is also there. So that's it about the Sports app. Now moving on, you've got the watch face adjustment. That means from here you can choose and apply different watch faces present on the watch. And then you got the notifications app from where you can check out all your recent messages or maybe like missed call notifications from this area. Going next, you've got remote camera shutter function also available, using which you can click pictures on your phone by pressing the shutter button on the watch. Then you got find your phone feature, breathing exercises as I've told you just now, and along with 24/7 continuous heart rate measurement, the watch is also capable of measuring your blood oxygen SpO2 levels as well. And you got all the other general utilities like stopwatch is there, timer function is also available on the watch. So basically, guys, the watch covers most of the useful stuff that you would ever need on a smartwatch. So that is a very nice thing. And lastly, in the settings app, guys, you can easily adjust the brightness of the display, adjust the screen timeout, and that is pretty much it, guys. You can just basically like power off or maybe restart or check the about watch section from the settings. Okay, so that was our complete overview on the UI, built-in apps and features. Now, if you ask about the general performance of the watch, see, I've been using it for the past few days, right? And the overall performance on the watch is pretty good. Especially, it's a budget category watch, right? And in terms of UI, the whole UI feels quite smooth and fluidic, guys. I was actually surprised because this is like an affordable category watch, right? Usually most of the budget watches actually have a bit of sluggish UI, but that is not there over here. As you can see, the whole transitions feel smooth and fluidic, so that is a very nice thing. If you ask about the health related functions, the watch can measure multiple things like you got 24/7 continuous heart rate measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 level, sleep quality analysis, and female health tracking as well. And on my usage, I found the sensors on it were working well, and apps like blood oxygen and HR measurement were giving reasonably accurate results almost 85 to 90% of the time. So that is about the health related functions, guys. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly show you how you receive message and call notifications on this watch. But for this function to work, keep in mind that the watch has to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and also you'll need to install Tag's application called Tag Neo, compatible on both Android as well as iOS platforms, and then only you will be able to get like either message or call notifications. So whenever you get a message on your phone, either it be from social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, or even WhatsApp, this is how you receive notifications. You can easily read the name of the person sending and even the content of the message. But as usual, guys, there is no option to reply to these messages. Again, it's a budget category watch, you can't expect that feature also. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. The watch comes with a built-in 200 mAh battery, and the battery life was pretty good during my usage. So on a moderate type of usage where the brightness is set to 75%, raise to wake function enabled, and you're doing light fitness activities or workout activities like every alternate day, with this sort of usage now, you can easily expect around like 7 to 8 days of battery life. And let me tell you, the standby time on this watch was also excellent, guys. And if you ask about the charging time, well, it took me around like 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours to fully charge this watch. Well, that was my video on this super budget smartwatch from Tag. They're all new Verve Neo. It's a great smartwatch for the price. You're getting a big display, looks quite stylish, has lots of health and fitness related features, and not to forget, it's also IP68 rated. The watch was launched at a special launch price of around $18.99 for a limited time period only, and later after the offer period ends, it'll cost around 19.99 rupees. So if you're planning to get it, this is the right time. I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all got to know everything about the product. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.